welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm well aware that I look a little bit crazy while I'm talking because makeup doesn't really work while you're talking, but this video, as you can see from my face and from the title, is a half pumpkin mask makeup. I just thought it was quite fun and I really couldn't bother painting my entire face orange. This took long enough, but I also thought if you are wearing a mask, because obviously you have to wear them now, you could just do this eye makeup and it's pretty much pumpkin like, so it's sort of killing two birds with one stone with this. Yeah, if you want to see how I did this look and also all the products used, make sure you carry on watching. So that is my finished half mask pumpkin look. I think that's what I'm going to call it. It just looks so weird when I'm talking right now. It doesn't look so bad when my face is just still and I'm not talking, but talking it just looks really odd around my mouth. Does anyone else think that, or is it just me? But I hope you like this look. And obviously if you have all face paint, I couldn't find an orange face paint, but that would work a lot better than just eyeshadow. But obviously eyeshadow is a lot more accessible. It's a lot easier to get than face paint, especially now. So that is the main reason why I used it. And also, like I said, I didn't have an orange. But I hope you like this look. Please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me what look you would like me to do next. It can be a Halloween, or it can be a film character, or anything like that. I'm open to all ideas. Yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!